Hello.
That was Lacey saying hello. Hello, kindergarten. You're my favorite kindergartners in the whole world right now. The whole world. We are getting ready to start lesson 144, and guess what that means? This is your last paper on this section of work that you have to do. So you should be almost done to get your new papers from school. But you've got a couple of days. So good job. I'm so super proud of you for doing such a good job up to this point. Bless you, Lacey. Good job. And I have good news for you. Today, you don't even have a letters and sounds paper that you have to do. So the only thing you have to do is practice that everyday video with the charts on it. And that's what you have to do today for your letters and sounds. Maybe mom might write some blends for you or have you write some spelling words like we did the other day, because you guys are doing great with that. But we are going to talk about some things on your numbers paper. So first of all, let's talk about what these are. We know what these are because these are our easiest coins. So what are these? These are pennies. And how much is a penny? 1 cent. Do we know whose picture is on the penny? Lacey said her picture is on the penny. That doesn't look like you, Lacey. You might look really funny if that looked like you. That's not Lacey. It's Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was our 16th president, and his picture is on the penny. When we count our pennies, we count by ones. So let's count some pennies. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's do one more. I can't pick it up. 4. Now, how much money do we have? 4 cents. Good job. But I have a question for you. If you have 4 cents and I take one of them away, actually took a bunch away because I just dropped them. If I had 4, took one away, how many do you have left? How much money do you have? 3 cents, because 4 take away 1 is 3. Good. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Let's try another one. Oh, we still have our 3 pennies. And Lacey says, "May I borrow a penny, please?" And I say, "Yes, you may." And I give her that penny. Now how much money do I have? 2 cents, because 3 take away 1 equals 2. The other way we say that is 3 minus 1 equals 2. Now, a little bit harder. What if I have all these pennies? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have 5 pennies. I have 5 pennies, and Lucy really wants to buy a piece of candy that costs a penny. That'd be a miracle if it cost a penny. I would say, here you go, Lucy. Go buy your candy. Now, how much money do I have left since she took my penny? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I only have 4 cents. But if I had a lot of money, and I had all kinds of pennies, okay, give me that penny back, Lucy. The penny you borrowed. Whoa. Let's see how much we have now. Are you ready? Let's count these pennies. Remember, when we count pennies, we count by ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 cents. Oh, here comes Lacey again. Lacey saw something else. She wanted a bubblegum machine. She said, "Mommy, I can't believe the bubblegum machine only takes pennies." So I said, "Okay, but you can only have 1." Now remember, how many did I have? 8. And Lacey taking another one of my pennies for her bubblegum machine. Now how many do we have left? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because 8 minus 1 equals 7. Good job. That's what you're going to do on your numbers paper today, and we just did it. So it's going to be super easy for you to do. Remember that in the first box, we write how many there are all together. Then we take away how many they put an X through, and then we count how many we have left, and that's what it equals. Good job. Hey, how about we do some clocks? Look what I have. Can you see that pretty good? Pretty well? Anybody tell me what time that is? Lucy probably doesn't know. Do you know what time it is? Say it. 8 o'clock. Good job. When we write 8 o'clock, we write 8 dot dot 00. 8 o'clock. Let's try this one. Does anybody know what time this one is? Remember to look at your shorthand first. Your shorthand is not all the way to the 6, so it's still on the 5. So what time is it? Good job, Quinn. I heard you all the way from here. 5:30. Good job. Let's try this one. Anybody know? Hunter, 2:30 is right. Good job. Let's try this one. I think probably Noah's going to get this one. Did you guys beat Noah? Because he just said 12:15. 12:15. Good job. Let's see if my friend Ella May can get this one. Look at that shorthand first. Not all the way to the 7 yet. Did you guys hear Ella May say 6:30? I think I did, and she is right. This one's for Elijah. Elijah, this one's a little tricky because they're both on the same number. So remember, we say the shorthand first, and it is 3:15. Good job, Elijah. That was pretty awesome. Who's going to win this one? Who's going to say it first? I think it was a tie. Good job. 3:30 is the right time. Now, if you had any trouble with that, I want you to rewind it and look at those clocks again and do those clocks until you can get them right without any help, and make sure you can beat your friends whenever you're saying it. But really, we're all winners because we're all doing an awesome job. Let's talk about some between numbers. Remember how we talked about that Oreo? And those numbers are like the cream in the middle. Did you hear Lucy? She said, she likes Oreos. And we have numbers that go at the beginning and first. And remember we talked about less and greater. That's the bigger number and the smaller number. I'm going to write a number on here. And we're going to see if you can figure out the between number of these two numbers. This number has a 7 at the father, so it's the 70 family, 75. Let's count back a little bit. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. I heard you. 77. Good. The between number of 75 and 77 is 76. Good job. Let's try another one. This one might be a little bit harder, but I think you can get it. Teen family, what's that number? Hope you said 14. Let's count back from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Whoa, that was loud. 15 is right. 15 is the between number of 14. 15. I could not write like that, guys. 15 and then 16. Don't write like Mrs. Snell. You need to write a lot better than that. Good job. So I think you've got your between numbers. The only other thing you have to do on your numbers paper today is you have to write your numbers all the way to 30. Mom and Dad, it's totally okay with me if you use a number chart or even get out the counting by twos chart and let them look at that, because this is practice and I want to make sure that they're writing their numbers correctly. Also, do me a favor. If they're writing their numbers backwards, do me a favor and leave it. Don't correct. You can tell them that it's wrong, but leave it so that I can see. One very important thing about this is that I don't want them fixing everything that you tell them is wrong, because then I don't know what they're understanding and not understanding. So if you can do me a favor, and it's fine with me if you tell them it's wrong, and even if they correct it, as long as you will put a circle on it or something and let me know that you had to help them a little extra with that. That will help me know who needs a little extra practice and what papers to put in their next folder. So you guys are doing an awesome job. And guess what? I love you. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.